Let me show you how to apply attachments to your weapons in Stalker 2. And we can do it by opening our inventory. There's one quicker way that I'm going to show you, but it works for the keyboard. I'm not sure for a hotkey on the gamepad. But now when we're in our inventory, we can find all of the weapons and also attachments. And when you drag the attachment, you can just leave it on the weapon like this to attach it to your weapon. And to remove it, you can hover over the weapon and press T or the button that shows on the bottom to remove the attachment from that weapon. And now also if you're playing on the gamepad and you can see the remove attachment on the bottom, you can use that button in game when we get the weapon out. Oh, we can't get it here, sorry. So when we get the weapon out, we can click and hold this button to also apply attachments to it like that.